Hey everyone, Ben here with Fly Plugins, and in this video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use the new closed caption feature with S3 Media Maestro 4.0. Okay, let's jump right in. So basically, when you pull up the shortcode builder for S3 Media Maestro, you'll now notice that there's an option for closed captions. Okay, so this is definitely a new feature. We've not had this before. And so this is pretty simple to use. First, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and upload a video. Let's go ahead and do that first. I'm going to select a bucket here, and let's just go ahead and upload a video here. Okay, so I'm going to drop this right in here. And this is going to take just a few minutes to upload. Okay, cool. We've got our video uploaded now. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to go back up here and click the Closed Captions tab. Okay, and so Closed Captions, it basically works by using a closed caption text file. In this case, what we're using is a VTT file. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is upload the VTT file. And we're going to go ahead and insert that. I'm going to pick a language here. So we'll pick English, and I'm going to go ahead and insert. Before I insert, just wanted to make this known. You can actually add additional languages. So you can have multiple languages. That is definitely an option. When you insert that into the video, you'll have a selector, and you can select which language you'd like to pick for closed caption. For now, I'm just going to insert the one for English. And we're going to go ahead and insert that video block. And so you'll notice down here I've got closed caption. Its default is set to none. And so if I go ahead and let's go ahead and click play, I'm going to change that to English. And you'll see that closed caption is now available. And that concludes this video demonstration on closed caption for S3 Media Maestro 4.0. Thanks for watching.